My name's Eric Winnert. I was born in Tonawanda and I grew up in Williamsville. I attended Williamsville South High School, then the University at Buffalo, and then I went on to Ohio Northern University for law school. I was the first person in my immediate family to finish college. I come from a big Irish family. Having a big family is one of the best assets that you can have. You always have someone there to give you advice, guidance, or just be there with you when you need them. Joining Lipsitz, Pontarier & Commerford has been one of the best decisions I've made in my career. We are a firm that really cares about our clients because we know how difficult a cancer diagnosis or a serious injury can be. During the whole legal process, we really try to make it as easy as possible for our clients, providing status updates or working around their treatment schedules. When you choose Lipsitz, Pontarier & Commerford, we consider you part of our family, and nobody fights harder for you than your family members. For us, your case is very important, but the relationships we develop with you are just as important. So if you have been diagnosed with an asbestos-related disease or are injured in a motor vehicle accident or slip and fall, please consider joining our family and give us a call.